This is the Pwr Drive Cab, the screw of choice to install cabinets. Somehow, panels and fastener don't mix very well. Always a big challenge to have this connection look nice. These days, melamine is used for almost all types of cabinets. To fasten these cabinets to the wall, you basically need two sets of screws. One to fasten the cabinet to the wall, and the other one to fasten cabinets together. If you can choose between a 2.5 or a 3-inch for the walls, the 1 3/16 has the thread especially adjusted for melamine to melamine connections. So there you have it. This is the cab.